Oh, what is that? That's moving fast. It's moving fast and it is doing something really weird. Where is it? Where is it? Shit, I can't get it. I can't get it. What the fuck? Why can't I get... Why can't I get it? I can't get it. There it is. Oh, it's fast. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? It's really bright. It was pulsating and it was so low, eh? This is so low. What is this? To me, it's just this ball of blue light that's moving really, really fast. Come on, come on, come on. It appeared in the northeast, higher up into the air, and it was moving really fast, and it was pulsating, and it was so bright, and so low, and so fast. Oh, no, you're not gone, are you? What is that orb there? What is that? It's gone behind the roof. That's another orb there. Oh, shit, that happened at about 6:52 in the northeast. Whatever that thing is gone. It literally was in the top middle of the sky, and I was looking at it, and it was just pulsating like a balloon, and it was moving fucking fast. I had trouble even getting the camera on it. Like literally, I was looking through the eyepiece and then looking at the object with my other eye, trying to match up the scope to the actual thing, and I just managed to get it before it went into the horizon. That was bright and fast, really, really fast. Okay, so tonight I recorded a strange object, as you just saw. This is where it gets interesting, guys. All right, so basically I used Google Earth and I literally got my location from my backyard. I right-clicked on it and took my geolocation east and south. And so basically this is exactly where I'm standing, and this is exactly the perspective that I'd get when I'm outside, which is true because I could see the star Altair and Tarazed every time I look over this part of the sky. These two stars stick out the most over there, and Vegas hide behind a tree in the north. So this is how I usually tell the differences between north and east and all that. But then again, you just think, oh, the sun, you know. Right. So anyway, I saw this object that appeared about 6:52, which, if I go back a little bit, it appeared up here, and it went right across till about here, and it faded really quickly. Didn't even get to the horizon before it faded. The strange thing about this one was it was pulsating, and it literally didn't have like it was moving so fast, and it was just blue. It was just a blue light. Usually everything I see is usually either white or orangey tinge, but this thing was like a teal kind of blue, and it was just pulsating. And as you can see, it's nothing appears actually. And sorry, my recorder. And bloody the magnitude of this was just almost as bright as the satellite that I saw when I was setting up my equipment, which I thought was the ISS. Turns out it was something else. It was about 6:30. Sorry guys, having fucking technical difficulties here. Alright, so I saw this object. This is in real time, by the way. As I was setting up my equipment outside, I thought this was the ISS here moving. It's moving pretty bloody slowly, right? This object that I recorded earlier, I mean, not earlier, the object that I recorded later that evening at a 6:52 was moving faster than that. I could give you a comparison to actually how fast it was moving. Okay, so that's what it pretty much looked like. It was fast. It was fast in comparison to that Konutouri bloody. I don't even know if I'm saying it probably. That satellite. This thing, however, there's a lot of satellites listed on bloody on Stellarium, but whatever that was definitely not listed because obviously it's not flying by, and the magnitude was just as bright as the Konutouri. So I'm literally not seeing anything. Everything I see ends up flying from the east to the north, and this thing was just like, pew,
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Fuck, there's always something out there that's not supposed to be there. Bloody, I'm having problems with my bloody recording software here. It just like cut out on me twice. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.